everyone, welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. I know it's been a while, but I have a whole description box full of In the Kitchen links. There's an In the Kitchen playlist, and there is tons of desserts and appetizers and full-blown meal recipes in the description box below. Please check it out. Today we're making a dessert. I saw this really cool Kool-Aid pie recipe, so we're going to try it out today. You do need a graham cracker crust. You might could use the Oreo pie crust if you really wanted to. Whatever you want, technically. It's your decision. You need an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and you need a 14-ounce can of the sweetened condensed milk. Also, you need a packet of Kool-Aid. The recipe was for strawberry Kool-Aid pie, but because of John's diverticulitis, I cannot use strawberries. They have little seeds in them, and that's like a health issue danger for him personally. So we are not doing strawberry. We are doing cherry. I'm sure it's going to be equally delicious, and I cannot wait to try this recipe out. But you need 1 packet of Kool-Aid of your choosing. I'm sure this would work with a lot of different Kool-Aids, and I'm actually want to try this in lemonade. And if I do, I will let you guys know how it turns out. Now, you also can buy additional fruit to add to your pie, but once again, I'm not going to do that. That's hence why we're not doing the strawberry. But you also can buy additional Cool Whip to decorate the top of your pie with as well. But I'm just keeping it sweet and simple. I'm going to take this to like a dinner or a reunion kind of thing or something like that. I would definitely embellish the top with fruit. I'll probably put fruit in the pie and also put additional Cool Whip embellishments on the top of the pie as well. You're also going to need a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon. That's it, you guys. That's it. That's all you need for this recipe. Super easy, super simple, super quick, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Okay, now the rest of this is so easy. You're literally just going to combine your ingredients into your mixing bowl. So I'm going to take all the Cool Whip, put it in the bowl, condensed sweetened milk in the bowl, and you add your Kool-Aid packet. And of course, you're going to mix all those ingredients together really well. And the Kool-Aid will dissolve in the mix, so don't worry about that. First off, I want to tell you guys, this smells amazing. It smells so good. So next and basically final step you're going to have to do is fill your pie crust up with your filling. Oh, we're just going to fill our pie crust. Look at that pretty color. All our fillings in there, and now you're just going to press it into the pie crust. Of making a pie.
Oh, hi.
Does it look yummy, baby?
Yes. With a pie in there.
We got a pie in here, guys. Now, after the pie filling is all smoothed out into your crust, you're basically done. The only thing left to do now is put your top back on. You're going to put your top back on, and you're going to pop this baby in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to allow it plenty of time to set. Now, once again, if you want to do embellishments, add fruit, all that stuff, you absolutely can. It's all about personal preference.
Mommy, I smell it.
You smelled it? Did it? Does it smell good? Does it smell like cherries?
Yeah.
He says yes, you guys. Basically, that's it. You're done with this dessert. A quick and easy, tasty dessert. I already tasted the filling, and it tastes so good. So I'm excited to let it chill and be done completely. But I hope you guys enjoyed this In the Kitchen video. Stay tuned for pictures. And don't forget to check the description box full of In the Kitchen links. So thank you guys again. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks always for watching.
It's in Russian.